You ready for this? You ready for this, huh? You ready for this, huh? Get on the ground.
August 30th, 2025, Aurora, Colorado. That voice belongs to a man who is about to push an officer to his absolute limit. It all starts with a split-second decision to flee on East 6th Avenue, just 3 minutes prior.
Henry 7-0.
Once the cars collide, the rules change. This is no longer a traffic stop. It's a high-risk felony encounter where every movement is a threat.
Stay in the car! Don't move! Don't move! Motor 45, I've got a crash. 6th, just east of 225. Get a couple cars here now. Stay in the, give me your hands. Show me your hands. Get your hands up, dude. Don't show me. Get your hands up right now. Get your hands up. Yeah. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get away from that gun! Get on the ground now! Get that nigga. Get on the ground now! Get that. Get that. Get that. I'll shoot you. Get that. Get that.
Dad, chill. No.
Get that.
No, Dad, chill.
Get that.
Officer, chill. Dad.
Shouting for that gun changes everything. Legally, a command like that is a deadly threat. The officer is now trapped between a fighter and a loaded weapon.
Get that. Get on the ground. Get that. Get that. Get on the ground. Oh, yeah. So, you ready for this? You ready for this? Get on the ground. You ready for this? You ready for this, huh? You ready for this, huh? Get on the ground. You ready for this? Shots fired. Motor 45, shots fired. Give me some cars. Cruiser. Amulet's hot. No. It's not a tourniquet kind of thing. Thank you. Stay there. Hey! Get over there behind us. There's a gun over there. Behind the boxes. Shut it all down. Sable, westbound, highway, eastbound. What?
They just shot my dad. He didn't have no gun.
Did you find that gun?
He threw the gun.
I got your red right here, bro.
You got it? Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Thank you.
They just shot my dad.
Rajan Stubblefield was pronounced dead at the scene. Investigators later recovered a loaded firearm exactly where he pointed it out. This case is a heavy look at the point of no return. For 90 seconds, the officer retreated until he was literally backed into oncoming traffic, giving every possible chance for a peaceful end. But when a suspect chooses to escalate and involves his own son in a deadly game, he takes the decision out of the officer's hands. It leaves us with a difficult question. How much more can we ask an officer to retreat when a loaded gun is just feet away? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your take on this escalation. If you appreciate these deep dives into the reality of the badge, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for watching Blue Line Raw. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.